Hey guys, I'm back on doing another video here. This is a video on how I installed my acoustic foam. So right here I'm measuring out on where I want my acoustic panels to be. I never really bought anything to hang up the acoustic treatment. I came up with my own solution to use these tiny finishing nails. And right here there are the nails. I went to pick these up at the hardware store. So basically what I did was I hammered in the nails first into the wall, and then I grabbed one of the panels, and then I just was able to just push on the panel right onto the wall. The nails went right through the panel, and that's how I installed my acoustic panels. And then also once I got the first one into place, and then I was able to just place the next one beside it, and then I just pushed in the nail and then just tapped the nails in with a hammer. Now from a distance you cannot see the nails, but if you come closely, zoom in closely, you'd be able to see the nails, obviously. So yeah, this was one of my solutions. I did not want to go with glue because I knew I was going to be moving these panels around at some point, and I wanted to take them off efficiently without damaging the walls or having to strip off glue or ruin my panels. So more than a few times I did take down the acoustic panels. You just simply grab the nails, pull them out. No damage is done to your acoustic foam. Hardly any damage to your walls at all. The nail holes are very tiny. So I got my acoustic panels all set up. So these are from an old video that I did. This is my home recording studio setup. I have 3 parts. Now if you want to go ahead and go back to them, just go to my channel. They're one of the very first videos that I've uploaded to this channel. So if you want to go ahead and check them out. So this is pretty much the end of the video. I've covered everything, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe, and we will see you in another video. Thanks.